Mr. Cox?
Yes, yes.
All right, we ready? Okay. Action! I always gotta say that. This is my friend Sue. My name is Jim. We are at ABL DANCESPORT Center. This is week 2 of our intermediate bronze Viennese, American Viennese Waltz. So what we worked on today was the reverse turn again, and we worked on our natural turn, and then we started the beginning of an amalgamation. So let's just review the reverse turn. We created rotation from the beginning part of the step coming through the lower part of our body as we start to create here. We talked about the importance of the person going backward to create the rotation. The leader or whoever's going forward asks for that rotation. The person going backwards gives that rotation. So we have 1, 2, 3. The person going forward does the exact same thing to the person going back. Now the leader is going to be placed on his foot by the follower, and he finishes the rotation. From here, what we did is a change step. 1, 2, 3. So now my right foot is free, and we're going into a natural turn. Notice that my right side is positive. I'm going to do the exact same thing I did with the reverse turn, but this time going to the right by placing the lady and closing, and then she does the same thing. She steps forward and close. Okay? So the amalgamation that we did is we took the hesitation step, which looks like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we did our reverse turn. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3 to a change step, to a natural turn, and that will get us down first line. Excellent. Woohoo! Thank you, Sue.